Well, I'm very proud to say that Eurocities is the network of major cities in Europe. We represent the voice of major cities in the sense of their challenges, their role, their problematics, priorities at the European level, and we try to influence European policy in this respect and make it closer to the citizens' needs. So that's its main aim. To do that, we work with our members on a political and technical level on exchange of experience, exactly to have those challenges and barriers to EU policy implementation, for instance, emerge. And we look at good practices and experiences that can be transferred from one city to another. And yeah, the main goal being having cities shine in Europe, improving their way of living for their citizens, for their businesses, for their universities, for all the actors that live in an urban area. So this is the two main goals, exchange and advocacy, to make the European project much more close to the realities of our people and the local level. We also help cities to identify funding, to help them and financing opportunities, to help them to deliver their own priorities and work at the local level. And by creating this platform that exchange, that allows this exchange among cities, we also produce and help cooperation projects to be developed and to emerge, and to identify also the challenges of the future and priorities that cities have. Eurocities has been involved in pushing for an EU urban agenda for a very long time. And I think that now we are in a very positive momentum around the EU urban agenda, because it looks like everyone concerned, so member states, the Commission and cities, are finally getting engaged in order to improve EU governance on and with cities. The idea of the EU urban agenda is exactly to have cities on board before policy making is happening, before EU policy development is happening, before funding is decided, in order to again make sure that the city's needs and challenges are reflected much better in the EU project as a whole, and in all the public policies that the EU is delivering. All the challenges that the EU and Europe is facing are the exact same challenges that cities face every day. I'm thinking of the refugees situation. Cities and mayors are playing a fundamental role in, facing this challenge in the best way. But they are not yet recognized as players in the ballgame of the EU. So our objective is to make sure that there is a much better role for them, so that they are heard, they are considered actors, and they can finally sit at the table where decisions are taken. Yeah, that's exactly the point of the EU urban agenda, in the sense that if we will have the European level recognizing that cities, that mayors have a role to play in public policy development, then this will also happen at the global level. Actually, the EU is now waking up to this fact, because the global challenges are challenges that in the end are happening in cities. So we need cities around the table to solve climate change, the climate change impacts, or again, migration, or again, sustainability issues, or congestion, pollution. These are all global challenges, but they happen in cities. So who are the best, levels to be able to solve and face these challenges in the best way and closest to the populations? It's cities.